Hello and welcome back to the BEEiLab channel. In today's tutorial, we'll dive into the essential skill of clipping shapefiles in QGIS. Clipping allows us to extract specific portions of one shapefile using the boundaries of another. Whether you're focusing on a specific region, creating detailed maps, or simply refining your data, clipping is a powerful tool. So, let's get started. We have Map 1 and Map 2, and our goal is to clip Map 2 using the boundaries of Map 1. Open up your QGIS workspace and make sure both Map 1 and Map 2 are loaded. Go to the Vector menu on the top menu bar. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Geoprocessing Tools, then Clip. This will open the Clip window. For the input layer, select Map 2, our map to be clipped. For the overlay layer, select Map 1, our clipping layer. Choose a location to save your new clipped output file by clicking on the three dots next to Output feature, then name your new map. Or, you can create a temporary layer that doesn't need a name. In this example, we select this option. Finally, click on the Run button to clip Map 2 with Map 1. And there you have it. Our newly clipped map is now visible on the screen. Now, we want to know what will happen if we select one polygon of Map 2 and then repeat this process. So let us do that. First, select the map layer that contains the polygons you want to select, in this case, Map 2. Then, click on the Select Features tool available at the top of the toolbar. Use this tool to select the desired polygons by clicking on them. Here, the yellow polygon is selected by clicking. Now repeat the clipping process. As you can see, the selected feature only is active now. Tick this option and click on the Run button. The new clipped layer has been added to QGIS. As you can see, this layer just contains one polygon. Now, it's your turn to practice. I encourage you to take what you've learned and apply it to your datasets. Choose a point or line shapefile and clip it using a polygon shapefile of your choice. For a more interactive experience, share your solution or any challenges you faced in the comments below. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for future tutorials and we'll see you in the next video.